Hey guys, welcome to my channel again. If you have not subscribed, just subscribe and let's continue learning. Today I have a table here, a short table that contains salespeople here, list of names, ID, and sales made by each individual here. So, well, I have a question here I want to answer. So let's say I want to know which person made each sale, and I can also return the ID of any respective individual here in this column A. Now let's quickly jump into the index match functions. Now, now I want to know a person that made 1,000 sales from this column C. So, and to do that, we can use the index. Now, array is the entire table from A to C. And then to get the row number, we can use the match function because individually the match function returns a row number. So match, if you call upon the match function, the lookup value should be the sales made. The lookup array should be the column which contains the cell, which column C. And then the match type, I want to return the exact match. And then we want to return the column number where we have the person, which is column A, should be column 1. That's counting from left to right. So in this case, you realize Sharon made 1,000 bob. Sharon here made 1,000 bob, yeah. So you can double click here to fill out, and let's find out Joshua, who made 4,000. Joshua here made 4,000. Let's say even if you want to find out, let's say 8,000, it's right there, 8,000. Yeah, Paul. And 9,000, it's David, right? You can see who is David. Here I made 9,000. Now we want to, let's say we don't want to keep on returning the column number, and you want to shorten it. You can use the array that is only the column, the names array, the names column. You can use that as our only array. And then we can now get rid of the column number. So what you have done here basically is when doing an index, instead of using the entire data set as an array, we can limit to the names array, to the names columns, and use it as an array here, and then we do not have to return the column name. So if I say enter, I get the same results here. Good. So that's it, guys. You can keep on working around with this, experiment on this, get to understand the array function, the index and match function combined together as a powerful tool. Until next time, bye.